Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to move all of your Google Photos to another Google account in 2025. So whether you are switching your accounts or backing up your data, I will guide you through the official methods step by step. First of all, you need to come here on photos.google.com on your desktop. You can also open the Google Photos application on your phone. Then you need to log in into that particular account in which you have the photos. Let's say I have the photos in this particular account of mine. If you don't have the photos, you can simply just click on this plus icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you can click on the option of import photos. After that, you can import the photographs here in your Google Photos account. So once you have it, simply click on the option of this gear icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now you need to scroll down and try to find the option of sharing. As you can see, when you click on this drop down menu, we have the first option of partner sharing. So if you click over here on the option of partner sharing, you will see this particular option is turned off. It will only show the photos since this day. So you can click on this drop down menu and select the date. So you can select the custom date. After that, you can choose the photos to include all of your photos or photos of certain people. So by default, the all photos option will be selected, but you can also click on the option of particular photos and then select those particular photos, then press next here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now over here on this page, you need to provide the email address of that particular account of yours in which you want to get the Google Photos. After doing so, simply select the next option here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then a link will be shared on your second Google account. So you need to open your email account. Then you need to simply just come here in your Google Photos of that particular account. After clicking on the save all photos, all of those photos from your one account will become now in your second account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.